Bear, are you stealing my chair again? What you doing, Bear? Are you in Kentucky this weekend? I think you're in Kentucky, Bear. So Bear's doing this ORC combat tent in Kentucky this weekend. The usual stay warm goodies inside. This tent cost us 10 bucks. Worth every penny. Here it comes, Bear. Hundreds and hundreds and hundreds of miles for this view. It's the Huey. He's worth the drive, Bear. Well, tubers, we did it again. Fall Knob Creek Machine Gun Shoot 2019. And here's Bear's home, a 3-foot tall tent. Matches his uniform. This is home for the weekend. And, of course, behind the tent is Piney Woods. Kentucky, a beautiful sight. This is the shelter we are borrowing, or we should say borrowing. And there's a Huey flying over our head all weekend. For $100 you could ride it. Well, these are me and Bear's views in the campground. We're walking into the gun show to see what's for sale. I don't know how much we'll film, but we're here, and so are you. Well, I already met my prepper friends that I meet up at the gun show and say hi to. It's going to be a wet, kind of muddy day. It's raining off and on. Beautiful Kentucky, though. Wet, soggy campout, at least for now. However, the views are so fantastic in this campsite, we don't mind staying the weekend. Not a bear. We don't mind staying the weekend at all. You've seen it. Let's see it again. Well, tubers, this thing has a for sale sign on it. I don't know how much, but it's got the beautiful orange sign. Don't worry, you can take it off. For sale. Meep meep. Troop carrier of some sort. Cool. Well, we found our first interesting firearm, a 9mm Gatling gun, sized perfectly for Bear. It's a real firearm, and it's only $5,000. That's it, just $5 grand. Takes Glock magazines. Perfect Bear size. I like it. Put it on the wish list. And that's basically what happens throughout the day. But I was shopping. Well, it's Friday night and it's raining on us. But it's a bearable drizzle. It's starting to get cold. Me and Bear are just going to mooch fire off the neighbors. Bear's hanging out with his once-a-year camping friends. We'll mooch all the firewood we need. It's drying my butt out. Well, you got Bella here, and then plenty of guns for security. Just a guard dog, about the size of a football. I'd be more worried about 45s around here. Me and Bear did not accomplish too much today, but we had a good dinner free from the neighbors. Lentil pastaccioli, it was good. We got this Camelback mule for 50 bucks. And we got some multi-cam pouches and stuff for our other ruck, which we rucked with Ranger Kooky, the one in the way in the back. We got like 2 $5 Camelbacks, $5 platypus, and now this thing. We didn't score too much today, Bear, but we're camping, and that's what matters. Here's the best freebie we got at the gun show. Our pack came with a tactical bacon patch. Oh yeah, that tactical bacon taste. We scored some really cool general purpose pouches, about the size of canteen cup stoves. We can make kits. We're gonna put some sunblock sideways because these pouches, they got weird angle attachments. So they stick like this on backpacks. So we could maybe reach back and grab our sunblock and stuff as we hikes. It's a pouch and Camelback day. Bear and me scored 2 pocket knives for my daughter. One of them is actually a fidget spinner. Yep, fidget spinner on a knife. Who knew? Yeah. Well, we got little goodies, but we're having fun. Well, we got a bargain bin weird platypus. Big Zip 3, and somebody rigged this thing so it wouldn't freeze in winter. Yeah, we'll try it. The goodies you can get in Kentucky for $5. Well, these are Hydromax, but they'll carry bladders. We got Bear sporting my new hat. Yeah, $4. Looks just like him. It's gonna get cold tonight. You might want to keep that on, Bear. Well, that was today's haul, people. Good night, Friday, October 11th, from the town of West Point, Kentucky. Knob Creek Gun Range. Boom Boom Land. Good night, peeps. We love you.